It's our third annual ride, and the purpose of it is to try to get people out of their houses and into the community and to connect with not only other riders or other volunteers, but just the community at large. See different places maybe they haven't seen before, see some of the scenic beauty that we have, the history here. I mean, there's so many different ways you can experience Mount Vernon, and this is one of those ways, is just to be out on the road and talk to other riders and enjoy their camaraderie as well. We designed two different rides this year because we understood that we have very experienced riders that really want to come out and ride the course and ride it quickly, and we have others who just want to kind of ride a bike for one of the first few times and are looking for something that's doable but still maybe tests them a little bit and pulls them into a community that loves to ride.
It's really a great way to get the family out. You can do a short ride, you can do a long ride. It was safe. You don't get any other better sights than this in Alexandria.
But I would imagine we had about 150 people ride, but a lot of them were returning riders, just talking to them. And that's the goal, is to get them out to help improve bicycling in the county.
This is the third annual Tour de Mount Vernon, and it's gotten bigger and better each year, and we have a great group of folks who helped to put this together, and I particularly want to thank the police for their work and helping us find the best route, the safest route, and as well as we have a number of folks in the county and on my staff that have really worked hard, and tons of community volunteers that make this work. So look forward to seeing you on the fourth annual Tour de Mount Vernon.